Welcome back to this week's episode of The Fabulous Red Cooks. With Christmas just round the corner, some of us may still be scratching our heads on what to cook for that Christmas meal. So today, I'm sending this recipe of seafood ceviche your way, something you can use on Christmas Day. In Australia, Christmas is always in summertime. This seafood ceviche recipe is perfect for that warm summer Christmas day. Let's get going! Ingredients we'll be using are baby tomatoes, finely diced onions, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped garlic, and finely sliced chilies, some lime, and avocado. I chanced upon some world's smallest tomatoes, so I'm using them, but you can use any tomatoes. The key to a good ceviche is for all the ingredients to be really finely diced or chopped, and of course, fresh sashimi grade fish. We start off by mixing the fish with the onions, chilies, and garlic. The lime juice goes in next. With ceviches, there is no other cooking process involved apart from the fish just being cooked by the lime juice, giving it a lift to its flavors together with the other ingredients. Leave that aside for 5 minutes before adding in the tomatoes, avocado, and the chopped coriander. Flavor it up with some salt and some black pepper and give it a good mix. There you go, look at that, it looks so refreshing. Look at how the fish has been really nicely cooked by the lime juice. Just perfect for that hot summer Christmas day here in Australia. And lastly, a generous splash of olive oil to bind everything together, and we are good to go. So if you are still looking for that one Christmas dish to make, go try this today. Time to dig in now. If today's video has been useful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Fabulous Red channel. See ya!